Stop wasting your time. In 2026, people won't get rich by working harder. They'll get rich because AI is quietly doing the work for them. And here's the uncomfortable part. A lot of those people will be way less talented than you. The biggest opportunities aren't obvious yet, which means you're early. Lucky you to come across this video. So, get comfortable, wake up your brain, and let's count down 10 ways people will get rich with AI, starting with the one almost nobody is taking seriously. Number 10. AI resume and hiring ghostwriting. Let me guess. You've applied to many jobs before. You've been rejected time and time again. And at some point you thought, wow, maybe I'm the problem. Good news, it's worse. In 2026, resumes are filtered by AI before a human ever sees them, which means people will pay other people to use AI to beat that AI. And that other people could be you. Every resume from now on must first impress an AI bot to go further to real people, or, as it may be, the real decision makers. Get the skills to use AI to trick other AI, and you are in big business in this resume business. This is how it actually makes money. You niche down, for example, tech, finance, remote jobs, executives, etc. You create AI resume systems that rewrite per job description. You sell speed, accuracy, and confidence, not a PDF. Your resume finally gets interviews. And now you have to wear a suit and tie, and you actually have to speak to real people. People already charge $100 to $300 per resume. In 2026, you bundle this as resume plus LinkedIn rewrite, cover letters on demand, monthly job application support. Clearly, AI understands your career better than your parents do. This is not a sexy business, which is exactly why it works. Number 9. AI workflow automation for small businesses. Small businesses are drowning. Not metaphorically, like actually buried under emails, invoices, reminders, and missed appointments. The owner didn't start a business to become Gmail's unpaid intern. Here's the truth. They don't want AI, they want their evenings back. What you automate? Booking confirmations, no-show reminders, invoice follow-ups, CRM updates no one ever does. How you start? Pick one industry, dentists, gyms, realtors. Learn their most annoying daily tasks. Build 3 to 5 simple automations. Why this works? They save hours every week. You become mission critical. Income potential, 1,000 to 3,000 setup, 300 to 800 per month maintenance. They call you a wizard. You watched 2 tutorials and drank coffee. But what if instead of fixing businesses, you cloned people? Number 8. AI personal brand cloning. People don't scale, but content does. In 2026, founders want to be everywhere. LinkedIn, email, Twitter, podcasts. But they don't want to write any of it. So, you clone them. What cloning really means? Feeding AI past posts, emails, interviews, teaching it tone, opinions, and vocabulary. Making it sound confident, not corporate. So, where is it used? Social posts, newsletter drafts, first pass replies, and many more. Why would clients pay? Well, there is now consistency without any effort from their part, and their brand never goes quiet. Income potential? $1,500 to $5,000 for setting everything up. But then there are monthly retainers to refine and maintain the product. Money from home month after month. Their AI replies faster than Speedy Console. Now imagine cloning something even more boring. The dreadful little thing called customer support. Number 7. AI customer support replacement. Customer support is expensive, slow, and somehow always understaffed. In 2026, most tickets are predictable. Where's my order? How do I reset my password? I'm angry but don't know why. AI eats these queries for breakfast. What you build? AI trained on frequently asked questions, policies, past tickets, chat plus email responders that talks directly to the client, problem escalation rules, and how this can make it less stressful for humans. Why companies hire you? There is lower customer support costs for them. The customer enjoys faster response times, way happier customers. Income potential, 3,000 to 10,000 setup, monthly licensing or per seat fees. Customers will thank the AI for being so human. But number 6 will show you that the real money lays in helping companies sell their products. Number 6. AI sales outreach systems. Cold outreach is dead. But personalized outreach? Yeah, that still prints money, and a lot of it. The problem is that personalization doesn't scale. AI can fix all of that. What your system does. Research possible leads automatically, all by itself. It would then write personalized emails to possible leads, and follow up without sounding desperate, all with a push of a button. Who will pay for this service? All sorts of agencies, recruiters, and consultants. Why it works. You have more meetings, even though you spend less time in it. Less manual work. What is the income potential? $1,500 to $4,000 per month retainers. Sit back and relax. The AI books more meetings than the human sales team and you take the money. But what if you didn't sell services at all, but something like it? Number 5. AI Micro SaaS for one annoying problem. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. So, big SaaS is crowded, but tiny SaaS quietly prints the money. The trick? Solve one annoying problem extremely well and you are in big business. That's all. And let me tell you, the possibilities are huge. Where is the need for more SaaS? Contract summarizers, resume screeners, meeting note generators, academical study guides, and many, many more. Success-making tips. Make sure there is not too many features, and make sure there is not too many users to ensure personal care. Income potential? $20 to $50 per month per user. But this is predictable. Recurring revenue. You wake up to Stripe notifications instead of emails. Wouldn't that be nice for a change? Let's talk content, but smarter. Way smarter. Number 4. AI content repurposing agencies. Everyone is posting. Almost nobody is efficient. One podcast could be a week's of content for any social media influencer. But most YouTubers use none of it. Just think of the potential. What you do. You turn long videos of any sorts into clips. You turn blogs into threads and podcasts into social posts. You subscribers will love you for this. Why influencers will pay. Better money could be earned from platforms because you post more. More videos per channel that turns any algorithm on, baby. Way less effort than it usually takes. What is the income potential? You could easily earn $1,500 to $4,000 per month for your retainers. They think you have a team. They think you are a genius. But all there is to it is just a couple of prompts. But wait, are you ready for the laziest way to get rich with AI yet? Number 3. AI prompt and system marketplaces. People don't want AI. They are interested in results. So you can package solutions that would give them those results and make them happy. What sells? Prompt packs. Yes, people pay for GPT prompts. Automation templates for all sorts of activities. Industry-specific workflows. Why this scales? You build all of it once, and then it sells forever because it is passive income all the way. Income potential could be around $19 to $199 per product, depending on the market and the problem you are solving. So you sell text and call it intellectual property. And that is exactly what it is, a new form of intellectual property. But the next one feels totally illegal. Number 2. AI data cleanup and migration. Companies have terrible data. Spreadsheets from 2012. Folders named Final V7. AI can clean it up, organize it, and make it reusable again. What you do? Clean CRMs, aka Customer Relationship Management Systems. Migrate documents to where it should be. Standardize chaos in the data clutter. Income potential. Some people make from $1,000 to $20,000 per project, depending on various factors. One could argue that you fix data chaos with scripts and coffee. And finally, the end game. Drumroll, please. Number 1. Owning AI-first businesses. This is the real win. Instead of using AI, you build businesses that only exist because of AI. That means you use AI as well as your creativity and build a business on top of that. AI can code and make any app with atomization these days in a jiffy, faster than your creativity can work. Examples would be automated agencies, AI-run newsletters, data-driven niche platforms, and many more. Why this is a winner? There could be very low overheads. High profit margins could make you happy. There is still a huge gap in the market for more AI-first businesses. What is the possible income potential? Well, how high is the sky? What is the limit in income potential of any AI? It is huge. But remember that it scales without hiring. That is good for profits. Your business runs on AI while you sleep. Well, someone needs to work while you sleep, and you earn all the money. So, none of the above requires a genius to do them. It requires timing. It is still early in 2026. There is still time to make a success. Do you have what it takes? That means the question isn't, will AI replace jobs? It is rather, will it replace yours? Or will it create your income and make you rich? Please comment below if any one of these topics needs a video to explain it more. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember that this video is just for educational purposes only, and that we cannot guarantee the same income potential as mentioned in the video.